Having trouble running the Apple TV app on your Firestick? In this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 practical solutions that have helped a lot of people fix this issue quickly and get back to streaming in no time. So let's get started. Alright, first up, this one comes straight from an Apple advisor and has worked for many users. The problem might actually be coming from your Fire TV Stick settings, specifically the HDMI CEC feature. Let me show you how to turn it off. First, on your Fire TV, go to Settings. Next, select Display and Sounds. Now click HDMI CEC Device Control and toggle it off. That's it. Now open the Apple TV app again, and hopefully it's working fine now. Still not working? No problem. Let's move on. Sometimes the issue is just an outdated system. A lot of users on Apple and Amazon forums mentioned that simply updating their Fire TV Stick fixed the problem. Here's how to check for updates. Go to Settings, then select My Fire TV. Click About. If you see Install Update, go ahead and do that. Once your Fire Stick is updated, try launching the Apple TV app again. Now here's a super quick and effective fix. Just log out and log back into your Apple ID on the Fire TV Stick. A lot of folks said this simple step worked like magic. Here's what you do. First, open the Apple TV app. Go to Settings. Next, select Accounts. Then click Sign Out and confirm it. After that, sign back in using your Apple ID. Give the app a try again. Fingers crossed. Still stuck? Let's check the cables. Sometimes the issue can be something as basic as a loose or faulty cable. First, unplug your Fire Stick and power cables for about 30 seconds. Then, inspect the cables. Are they damaged or loose? Now plug them all back in. Also, try plugging your Fire Stick into a different HDMI port or a different power outlet, just to rule out any issues there. If none of the above did the trick, here are a few extra things you can try. You could do a soft reset or restart your Fire Stick. Or you might want to reinstall the Apple TV app completely. Clearing the cache of the Apple TV app can help too. And as a last resort, you can factory reset your Fire TV Stick. But honestly, the first 4 solutions we covered tend to work for most people. Alright, that's it. I hope one of tips fixed this issue. Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.